this exercise, we're working on rounding our spine, dropping our chest, breathing in at the bottom, breath out, rotate, drop to the side, breath out, come up, and breathe in, come down. We're focusing on the upper back. As we twist, we're going to feel a stretch on the opposite side here. We're going to drop our shoulder now and feel the stretch on the side of the hip. Breath out and extend the spine and push your chest into the ball. If you don't have a ball like this, use something else, maybe a smaller ball, anything you can hug. It could also be a folded mat or a pillow. We're going to go over it one more time. Breathing and rounding the spine. Rotating, getting that ball and chest over the knee. Side bending. And then pushing our chest up against the ball and arching the back. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.